Duol mochung' ne ute fwambo pacho ka MCK owuok tung' mosuo koda chudhe mariore e weche mag fwambo. Jatatije mar MCK David Omuoyo nolero na chudhego yudo kadi mag fwambo midendo e yore ma ok owinjore ka giloso kadigo kendgi giwegi kendo gitiyo gi nonro mag jofwambo moko kaachiel kod tiyo gi kadi ma ndalogi oserumo ka dwaro margi en yudo omenda ka gikeyo weche. Omuoyo jiwo ni MCK biro bero nonro ma gin godo e kadi mar yango jofwambo madieri mar neno ni gidino rode ne jofwambo ma ok opuodhi tiyogo. MCK bendo jiwo jofwambo mochung' kar kendgi mondo ondikre kod riwruoge mag fwambo ma pacho ka mondo mi oyangi kaka owinjore.
We need to strengthen and make it very, very stringent to get accreditation from MCK. And I believe that this is a discussion that has been going on. I was not here, but I'm sure all of us are for the common cause, for the common good of this industry. You can only practice journalism and also feel and get that pride as a professional if you are respected. Even me as a journalist, when I walk in here and I introduce myself to the security down there that I'm a journalist, I want them to respect me and accord me the respect they will give to a doctor. If a doctor comes in here and says that I'm a doctor so-and-so practicing at Kenyatta National Hospital.
We are not criminalizing freelancing, but we are saying people must belong. If you are not in any media house that can recommend you, your association where you belong can recommend you. And that will be acceptable. So we are aware that journalism is not only in the newsroom today. There are people who are doing work outside. So Editors Guild, KUJ, Association, KCA will recommend people. We have no problem. And so that if there's an issue, we come back to you. You are the person who recommended the person to us. Take responsibility. And equally, like the chairman was saying, if somebody has left to a media house, as a responsible employer, why can't you write to the Media Council of Kenya and say, the names we sent to you early in the year of the following 5, 2 have left. They are no longer our staff. Take that responsibility. So this thing is a collective responsibility.